Hello everyone, let's talk about the new features and changes that Microsoft is rolling out on Windows 11 build 8155 in the dev channel. These changes also apply to Windows 11 build 26220.8148 in the beta channel. These changes are expected to become part of version 26H2 when it becomes available later in the year. Okay, first, Windows 11 now adds haptic feedback effects to compatible input devices during certain actions such as aligning objects in PowerPoint, window snapping, resizing, and hovering over the close button. You can always configure the haptic effects on Windows, on settings, Bluetooth on devices, mouse, and using the haptic signals settings. In this release, the company is also renaming the Xbox full screen experience to simply Xbox mode. And the company also says that it's adding improvements when running the feature for the first time. Microsoft also notes that it's rolling out performance improvements for launching startup apps at boot, which is good to hear. And finally, this update also introduces changes for the printer settings to display a new icon for printers that support the Windows protected print mode, as you can see right here. This change actually was added in the dev channel last week, but now it's available in the beta channel. One last thing that I wanted to point out in this particular release is that it's been discovered that inside of the Windows Insider Program settings page, Microsoft is building a new feature flags page that allows you to turn on experimental features without having to use third-party tools such as the Vibe tool. Once you click on that entry point, it will take you to another page where you can enable more easily new features that Microsoft is working on. This feature is currently not enabled by default on the latest preview build. However, the company has said that in the coming days it's going to share more details on how this feature is going to work, since there are a lot of questions on how users will be able to enable the features and if this is only for the channel or for all the channels. That's it. Those are pretty much the biggest changes that you're going to see on Windows 11 build 26300.8155 for version 26H2 and for Windows 11 build 26220.8148 in the beta channel. Let me know in the comments what you think about these new improvements. Like the video, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.